first warm up the engine, because it's the second engine in this car. The last one is blown up on the Autobahn. This is a
Boost pressure.
boost
Yeah?
pressure, yes. It's under pressure, and it goes like 1 to 1.2. Regularly, this car has 200 brake horsepower, but I got a boost controller, so it has a little bit more. You can get more boost about. In Germany, we say Dampfrad. If you want, you can record the car from outside. There's a parking space in front of us. We want to record it from outside.
This is for quattro.
Yes, you can You can lock the differential in the back and the middle differential. So all wheels get the same spin. It's with wie heißt den Druck? Pneumatic. But the lights didn't work. This car is, you have to repair everything. Yes, I hate this cluster,
Yeah.
but I got a new one, but an old one. This car is an 81 car, and the 81 cars have another cluster, and only 500 were built. So you have to find a cluster like this. I got one from Sweden, and it's cost about 1,500 euros. And this, everything must have to change. And I got a new dashboard, but I can't find anything, because the most dashboards have Lautsprecher. Yes. I'm collecting parts, and if I have the parts later, I will rebuild this car.
Okay.